In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from screenshotting my profile on WhatsApp. So for us to get this done, I'm going to show you a sample right here. I can actually go ahead and open, say for example, this one right here. And then if I were to go ahead and screenshot this one, I'm going to go ahead and click this. You should be able to see something like this. So in Huawei phones, you should be able to see a notification saying that it's not possible to screenshot this one. If you're able to still do a screenshot here, it's probably because you're using an outdated software. So what you're going to do is head over here to your Play Store. And once you've opened your Play Store, I want you to search for WhatsApp, and then you're going to go ahead and download it here. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one to the software or to the version software that is capable of stopping the screenshots. All right, there you go. We have updated this one, and now we are back here. Now, there is actually a bit of a problem to get this done. If you are going to do that, you should be able, or you shouldn't be able to take a screenshot anymore. The problem, however, is here. So if I were to go ahead and click that, they can actually screenshot this one just like so. So there is a workaround in order for us to avoid this, and that is by hiding your profile to the public. So again, that is the only way in order for you to get this done. So if you want to do that, go ahead and click the settings over here and then choose privacy, and you have here my profile or profile photo. You can click that over there, and you should be able to see here an option that says who can see my profile photo. From this point forward, all you have to do really is change it. You can either change it to contacts in order for your contacts to be the only one who can do that. You can change it to my contacts except for that particular person in order for you to hide it only to that particular person whom you think is going to screenshot your profile photo and would not want to do so. Or you can also just go ahead and choose nobody. So after doing that, nobody else should be able to see your profile photo, and I'm going to show you this one. All right, there you go. As you can see, that photo is no longer here. That is the catch of that setting though. Again, choice is yours. Those are the only ways in order for us to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.